All right, this is the Worth stand-up weed puller. This one's kind of neat. It's 34 inches in length. I'm 6'2", and it works just fine for me. My arm's a little long, and this weeder weighs 2 pounds and 6 ounces. Now, I tested a lot of these out, and one thing I immediately like about this is that somebody had a cool idea and they made it happen. This thing's made out of all metal with the exception of this knob right here, this grip, and that's it. It's all metal. It's welded on right here. It's basically nails that go through here. What I think's cool about this is everything's basically replaceable. So we've got locking nuts right here. If something were to happen to these nails, for instance, that make this thing work, we could easily replace them. I think that's a cool idea. And the knob itself is actually threaded onto here, so that would be easy to replace as well. But let me show you how this thing works and how easy it is. Very durable steel. I like this. Super simple. Let's try right here on this guy. Step on it, hold this, pull it up, pulls it out, roots and all. Look at that. Press the button to eject it. You're good. Now, any of these stand-up weeders are gonna leave a hole in the ground. Any of them, they all do. I have a lot of them. They all leave a hole in the ground. So you might want to carry a little bucket around with you, dirt, or take some dirt from another place and fill it in. Pretty cool item. It's the Worth stand-up weed puller.